guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Hey
guys! Back. Today, we're here with
me.
and me.
Hey, let's go.
Okay, we're gonna do. Okay, go.
No, you. It's fine.
Okay, I'll go. Today, we're gonna do the blind, deaf, and mute challenge. Okay? Who's blind? Oh, me.
Who's deaf? Me. And who's mute?
We're gonna be making a lemon cake.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't we already mention?
We are.
Oh, did we?
I don't know.
Okay, anyways. Put your mask on.
I'll get started. Ah, you spat all over my hand. I need to wash my hands.
Wait, guys, there's a knife right here. There's a knife. Stop.
What?
Stop.
Stop. Alhamdulillah. Check it with me.
Oh.
Then do your job.
You have to read it. Not read. You have to look at
Corner for the
You have
watch.
to look at
Percy
the-
playing
God
game.
damn it.
Yeah, Kenny chain. Rest in peace to my superior.
You have to look at the ingredients and instructions and tell her to tell me.
Oh, okay guys, ready? Our first step, we have to preheat the oven. What? Is there anything in there? Can you open it? Okay. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Do you have a 9-inch square baking pan? Do you have a baking pan in general? Okay, where is it? Describe it to. This is Monset.
Is it clean?
Plain Jane.
It might not be clean.
That's
We have to
good.
wash it.
We have to grease it.
I don't wanna-
Okay, it's fine. Step 2. Beat sugar and butter together in a mixing bowl. Feed. 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 I hope they play feed.
What do you want? You want to use this one? You want to use this one? Hello?
We use this to make macchiato and cocoa fresh tea and juice. What the Sigma?
What's going on?
21 tell of
What's
you.
going on?
Hold still, okay? Stop! Teacher! Dude, that's a lot of sugar.
Should we do half sugar?
Oh shoot, that's a lot of sugar.
Half sugar?
Wait, what?
Half?
Do you have sugar? Yeah, we have sugar. Half sugar? Wait, I put 1 cup of sugar. It's all the sugar you had in your cup. Flip it right now. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Let me put my cocoa skills to use. To use, baby. Okay, we have to. Oh, so loud. We're gonna have to add in eggs and vanilla extract. Do we have that? We need 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Why are my eyes closed?
Sigma the what? It has to be light and
Can we
fluffy.
make it faster?
This is looking.
Make it spin faster.
What?
Tell her to
Talk in a deeper voice. Hey, what's good? What's good, man? Hey, what's good, man? Tell me up. Tell me up.
push. Ah! Oh shit.
Awkward.
We're okay. Can I do it?
Is this a teaspoon?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Why are your fingers? wait.
Give me the vanilla extract. I got this.
Okay.
Did I do it? Am I doing it?
How can I explain myself? You guys can start with the next one. You have to get like a new bowl. Sift flour and baking powder together in a separate bowl. 1.5 cups. And then 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder.
Which 1 cup? Yeah. That'd be twice as if yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'll put her in. And then we need half a cup. We need baking soda. Baking soda. Yo, is anything coming out? Oh shit. Wait,
Keep it on. Why is her finger in there? Teacher! There's something stuck on my hair.
Hello.
Oh,
I have
oh, she's trying to tell me something.
I have a West. What the hell is that? Talk to me! I can't see anything and then I can't hear anything. What was that? What was that? What was that? It got really dark all of a sudden.
And then we add to cream mixture until incorporated. So slowly add it into there, right? So I think we should get one of these and slowly pour it into there.
Stop yelling.
Twist it like a stir fry. Okay, you wanna come here? Hold this. Wait. It's a cup with a bit of flour. The mixing bowl is here. You're gonna slowly yeah, you know? Okay. So yeah, slowly sift it in there. Okay, go. Yeah, that's a little too slow. Record how bad she's missing.
What? Why is it getting so quiet? She's not yelling at me. That means I can go, right? That means I can go, right?
I think she missed a bit here.
What?
Okay, whatever. I'm gonna wash my hands. Hey! Someone's on the floor! I'm jingling. Okay, step 4. Pour in milk, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Mix until smooth. Okay, wait. We need lemon zest and lemon juice. What? Pause. Patience. They're not like us. Oh, we can eyeball it.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're not. We have a tablespoon. Okay, so in front of you, don't touch yet. So carefully lift it. Yeah, carefully lift it. And bring it to the bowl here. Okay, dump it. Yeah, good job.
Yay!
Spoon back. Okay, then can you guys grease the pan? Wait, oh my god. What is that? Why does it look like that? You'll be Toronto man. Yamato. I don't know the words. Oh, injury? Instant report. Did you file an instant?
Oh, my toe.
Why were your toes flexing? Okay, stanky leg.
She's moving my arm for me.
Now let me say I'm the biggest hater. I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk. I hate the way that you dress. I hate the way that you sneak this. If I catch flight, it's gonna be direct.
We hate the bitches you fuck cause they confuse themselves with.
Did you find
I think it's good, right? Okay.
Did you find
Who's gonna pour it into the pan? Oh, she came so fast. Okay, you can scoop it in for her. Wait, okay, yeah. Wait, closer. Like, put it lower. Yeah, that's good. Guys, what if it tastes horrible?
It won't.
A bit?
Mitts.
Oh, Evan mitts!
Oh shit.
Evan mitts! Okay, ready? This is what you want. Hold your hands here. Ready? 2. The camera got too hot, so we're continuing the rest of the vlog here. I can put it in, right? Maybe I should just time it on my phone.
I close my eyes and I can see
Take yours off?
that it feels.
Oh, you can take it off?
home.
Can I take hers off?
Ah! Oh, I hear you. Why does this become again? What the hell did I step on? What the, what the hell? Ah!
Why did you take it blind? Why can't I hear now? Hello?
Oh my god, I can see the light.
Why does it have bubbles? What? Oh, it's done. Okay.
Flattened it.
Oh.
Why is it so thin? Are we eating cake like pizza?
Cheers. Good job, guys. Okay, rate it. Yeah.
Considering one of us was blind, one of us was deaf, and one of them was mute.
I'll give it a 6 out of
4? I like it. I just like the egg off.
10. Okay, well, it's yours
I
now.
won't eat the whole thing. Pause. Let's take a step back. You can take it home.